Hello, welcome to Help, Helpful English Learning Place, the channel for all your English learning needs. Today's lesson is about activities people are doing. Talking, cooking, eating, sleeping. There are 16 activities to look at. Read, listen and repeat the questions and answers. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am walking. I am walking. I am reading. I am reading. What is he doing? What is he doing? He is jumping. He is jumping. He is sleeping. He is sleeping. What is she doing? What is she doing? She is swimming. She is swimming. She is drawing. She is drawing. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are talking. They are talking. They are singing. They are singing. Read the questions, answer, then check. What is he doing? What is he doing? Running. Running. Crying. Crying. What is he doing? He is running. He is running. He is crying. He is crying. What are you doing? What are you doing? Exercising. Exercising. Writing. Writing. What are you doing? I am exercising. I am exercising. I am writing. I am writing. What is she doing? What is she doing? Skipping, skipping. Cooking, cooking. What is she doing? She is skipping. She is skipping. She is cooking. She is cooking. What are they doing? What are they doing? Dancing, dancing. Eating, eating. What are they doing? They are dancing. They are dancing. They are eating. They are eating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos. You can also click on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos.